Hi, my name is Jake Garwood, and I'm a senior at LaSalle University in the honors program. I've been majoring in chemistry, and I have minors in math and leadership and global understanding. I'm also the editor-in-chief of our campus newspaper. But today I'm going to talk a little bit about what's made the honors program so special for me and so impactful, especially now that I'm towards the end of my journey at LaSalle, and I can kind of look back at the whole experience pretty positively. When I think about all of the time that I've had in the honors program, the one thing that keeps coming to mind is that it's been a program that's enabled me to go places, places that I probably never even imagined that I would be just a few years ago. Um, Starting from freshman year, when in the triple you go on a number of lab experiences, we call them. They're essentially cultural field trips throughout the entire city of Philadelphia. And I had the opportunity to go to plays and musicals, see the orchestra, visit museums that I'd never even heard of. We even went to an opera. And while I might not go to an opera ever again, at least I had the experience and I've been exposed to that. So there are just so many fantastic cultural opportunities your freshman year that are going to enhance the honors triple, which is that honors English, philosophy, and history series of courses that you take as a freshman student. But even beyond that, throughout all 4 years, I've had the opportunity to represent the honors program at the National Honors Education Conference. Most recently in New Orleans, I and another honors student presented at that conference. We were two of the only students in the country that were accepted to present at a conference predominantly dominated by faculty and administrators. So that was a fantastic opportunity there. But I've also had the opportunity to go on the honors travel study courses. So every year we offer a travel study course in honors. So in your spring semester, it's a typical class that you would take with a professor, other students, but you actually get to spend spring break in another country. And so my sophomore year, I went to Vietnam as a part of that honors travel study course and had the chance to see the culture and the infrastructure of a country that we kind of only read about and very minimally in history textbooks. Beyond that, though, the honors program, I think, has enabled me to take the next step in my academic career. So as a chemistry student, the next step for me is to go on to get a PhD in chemistry. And while the honors program is the core curriculum for honors students, I still credit it with being a huge factor as to why I've been so successful in grad school applications and why I have that door open to me now. Because in the honors program, we're really trained to be critical thinkers and problem solvers, to communicate effectively, to learn how to write clearly. And all of those skills are really invaluable as you're applying to grad school, but also working as a chemist, because that's fundamentally what chemistry is, problem solving and critical thinking. So the skills that you learn in the honors program, the tools that I've been given translate to my field, even though it's not a humanities general education type field. I think that the program offers a lot of value for everyone. And certainly for me, if I had to do it all over again, I would, because it's been a phenomenal experience and it's opened my eyes to a lot of, places and things that I would have never seen without it. And the community that we have within the program is really incredible. I've been able to meet some of my best friends in there, and it's been a defining aspect of my time at LaSalle. So it's a fantastic program, and I hope that you all will consider joining it.